And today we will start with the chapter number 3, types of software. We all know that a computer that is made up of two parts. One is hardware and one is software. Software means the physical and tangible components, that means the components that you can touch and see. They are called hardware, like keyboard, mouse, hard disk, monitor, CD drive, wires, or whatever, cards, memory card, motherboard. All these is the hardware. And to make this hardware work, we need the software, a set of programs that governs the operations of a computer system and runs the hardware. That makes this hardware work, that makes this machinery work. We need the software. Without hardware, software cannot do anything, and without software, hardware will not be working. So we had already learned about the various types of hardware, and today we will start with software. Software can be classified into two categories. One is system software and application software. System software means that kind of programs which are required for the working of computer system, for the working of a hardware, for the working of machinery. Without system software, computer will not be able to work. It refers to the programs that control the internal operations of a computer and make the best use of hardware, because without system software, computer will not be able to work. For example, in similarly, application softwares. Application softwares are the set of programs that are necessary to carry out operations for a specified task. Like you download various apps for different purpose. Application software means a type of software or set of programs which are used for only one particular task. They are not required for the working of hardware. They are additional softwares which we install according to our own choice. जैसे हमें जरूरत है वैसा हम इंस्टॉल कर लेंगे. अगर किसी को फोटोशॉप की जरूरत है फोटो एडिटिंग के लिए, दे विल इंस्टॉल फोटोशॉप, तो दैट इज अ एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर. इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट कि अगर फोटोशॉप कंप्यूटर में नहीं है तो कंप्यूटर विल वर्क नहीं करेगा. अगर किसी को किसी वीडियो एडिटर सॉफ्टवेयर की जरूरत है तो दे कैन इंस्टॉल द वीडियो एडिटर सॉफ्टवेयर. तो दैट डजंट मीन कि वीडियो एडिटर सॉफ्टवेयर अगर कंप्यूटर में नहीं है तो इट विल नॉट वर्क. So application softwares are the different types of apps that you can install according to your own choice. System software is a type of software that you need to install to make the computer work. Okay. Now, what are the various types of system software? There are various types of system software that we can learn. System software is divided into three categories. One is operating system. Anybody knows what is operating system? We had already done this. You can give me the answer. What do you mean by operating system? You can raise your hand or you can unmute yourself to give answer. Yes, Ashmeet, Dipanshi, Jayati, what do you mean by operating system? Anybody else? Divya, what do you mean by operating system? Yes, Jayati.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by operating system?
Operating system acts as an interface between all the computer resources such as hardware and the user.
Mm. Anything in general
It
term?
is. It is. No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Dhiren, what you have? How can you explain it?
Ma'am, an operating system is a software or a program that is used for the communication between the user and the computer resources.
Okay, you can say that operating system is just like a driver of your computer. If you want to run the computer, if you want to run your mobile or any other hardware device, you need an operating system that will operate that device, that will manage the resources, that will take the input from the user, give it to CPU, send it to CPU, make the processing, take the output from the CPU, send it to output devices. Then it also manage the various storage spaces, where to store the file, how to fetch the file from the storage space, how to manage the various resources, how to manage the various CPU speed or anything. Whatever task we give to computer to do, that is done by operating system. हमने सिर्फ computer को instructions देनी है with the help of mouse or keyboard that I want to do this, but that is done by operating system. Operating system system software is divided into three parts. I told you, one is operating system, second is language processor, and the third is utilities. First, we are doing the operating system. It is an interface that acts as an interface between the user and the hardware. That means whatever user is asking for the computer to do, asking the hardware to do, operating system will do that work. It will make the computer do that work and give the answers or give the output or information to the user back. So there are many kind of operating systems available. You had seen many examples of operating system: Windows, Unix, Linux, BOS, Mac OS, Android, or iOS. These are the various types of operating system that we can use. Android and iOS, they both are used in mobile devices like tablets or iPads or your mobile phones. And Windows, Unix, Linux, BOS, and Mac OS, they are used in laptops or various desktop computers. Okay, so because of this definition that operating system that act as an interface, we can divide the computer components into four parts. One, we need the hardware. Second, we need the operating system. Third, we need the application softwares to work with them. And lastly, we need the users, humanware, because user will use the hardware, so that also becomes the component. So after the after operating system, we will learn about language processors. Language processor means computer, we all know that computer understands only binary digits, that is 0 and 1. But when we give instructions to computer, we type the instructions, we give the programs, or we write the programs in high level languages which are more close to human being. So when we are giving the instructions, or when we are doing the programming in high level language or some other language, then we need a translator in between that our used language and the computer understandable language. So these language processors, they are also called translators. They can be used to translate the programs from high level language into machine language. So that is also become a part of the system software. Various types of language processors available. One is assembler, interpreter, and compiler. Assembler was a translator that was used in the second generation when we used the assembly language. When we use the assembly language, that assembler will convert the assembly language into machine language. Assembly language uses the mnemonic, some word codes, to give instructions to computer, and those codes, mnemonic codes, were translated into machine language by using the assembler. Assembler was used to convert the assembly language programs into machine language programs. After that, when the high level languages were developed in the third generation, and then now in the fourth generation, right, then we are using the interpreter, then after that compiler. Interpreter, what does interpreter do? It will convert the high level language program into machine language line by line. One line at a time, it will translate and convert it into binary language into the form of zeros and ones, and then executes them, then do the execution, run them. If there is any error in any one line, so it will stop the execution there. It will show you the error. You will make the corrections. After doing the corrections, it will start from the beginning and doing the translation again from the first line. Then it translates again one by one each line, and if there is any error in any other line or in the same line, it will stop there again. It will give you the error message, give you the line number, and then you will correct the error. Then you will do the process again. So it is a little bit slower as compared to the compilers. Next is compiler. Compiler क्या करता है? Compiler converts the high level language program into machine language in one go. In one go means एक ही बार में सारा प्रोग्राम ट्रांसलेट होगा. अगर कोई एरर है, इफ देयर आर एनी एरर्स इन एनी नंबर ऑफ लाइन, तो इट विल डिस्प्ले ऑल द एरर्स, list of all the error, display the list of all the errors with the line numbers. So whenever there is an error, it will convert the whole program in one go. It will not stop at one line at every time. It will convert the whole program in one go and then translate the program, display the messages, error messages. You will make the corrections, then again it will translate the whole program. Now, second major difference is, one is interpreter is slow, compiler is a fast. Second, interpreter converts the line by line program one by one, but it does not save the object code. But compiler क्या करता है? After converting the program, it saves the object code. Object code means the converted program, that program that has been converted into binary language, that object code has been created, and then it saves the object code. And next time when you do the same program execution, it will directly run the object code. It will not convert the program. It doesn't need to convert the program again and again. It will directly run that program from the object code. So it is much easier to use, much faster to use. Okay. हाँ जी, clear है यहाँ तक? If any doubt is there, you can ask me in between. आप raise कर सकते हो अपना hand if you want to say anything. What are the major components of computer? Let's check कि आपने क्या सुना है. What are the major components of computer?
Some hardware and
Excuse me,
operating
ma'am.
system and utilities, language processor.
मैंने computer system पूछा. Computer system के major components.
Hardware, operating system, application programs, and users.
Okay, correct. And the software is divided into how many categories? Kavanur, Aditya. Software is divided into how many categories?
Operating system.
Software. Two types of software.
Application and
System software,
system software.
application software.
System software and application software. Then system software, what do you mean by system software?
Software used to
Used for functioning of computer.
Used for the
Software of
functioning.
the computer.
Yes, Divya.
Software of the computer or any system.
That software that is required for the working of computer. Okay. Nitish, what are the various examples of operating system?
Child loving usually.
What are the various examples of operating system? Kavanur? Okay, Pranay, Raghav, any question? What are the various examples of operating system? All of the students are sitting silently in the class. I don't know whether they are listening or not because they don't even switch on the cameras and they don't even give answer or ask any query. I don't know why you are
Windows.
joining the class then.
Android, Linux,
Windows, Android,
Linux,
Okay.
macOS.
Linux,
iOS.
Unix,
iOS.
Bio. Okay.
BOS.
Okay, good. What do you mean by what are the three categories of operating system? What are the three categories of system software?
Operating
Utility,
system,
operating
language,
system, language
processor,
processor.
And
Utility.
utilities. Okay,
utility,
three types of language processors.
assembler, compiler, interpreter.
Compiler and interpreter. Okay. What is a language processor? What does language processors do?
Ma'am, they convert the language to machine language.
Okay, they convert the
Ma'am,
language.
वो कोई setup.
High-level language into binary digits.
Okay, they convert the high-level language into machine language. They convert the codes from the high-level language programs into machine language. Okay, okay. Interpreter and compiler, what is the difference?
Ma'am, in
Ma'am, it's
interpreter does in one line by line in showing errors line by line, and compiler does at all at once.
Okay, compiler do at all at once and interpreter converts the program line by line. Second, interpreter is slow, compiler is fast. Third, interpreter
Yes,
does
ma'am.
not store the object code, compiler stores the object code. Object code means the
Ma'am, what is
program
object
which has
code?
been converted into binary language. Okay. Okay, now next comes the utilities. Various types of utilities are available. Utilities means the programs which are not required. So जरूरी नहीं है कि कंप्यूटर को रन करने के लिए चाहिए, but these programs ensure the smooth functioning of computer. They do the
Excuse
various
me, ma'am.
housekeeping tasks. Yes, Laksh?
Ma'am, I wanted to ask, like, Wi-Fi drivers in our laptops are operating system or utility?
Utilities. Various device drivers जो आपके होते हैं, device drivers are the utilities. जो आपकी
Okay,
डिवाइसेस
ma'am.
के ड्राइवर्स है, जैसे पेन ड्राइव यूएसबी डिवाइस का ड्राइवर है, जो ऑलरेडी वैसे तो इंस्टॉल्ड होते हैं नाउ डेज. प्रीवियसली
Yes,
वी हैव
ma'am.
टू इंस्टॉल द ड्राइवर्स फॉर एवरी हार्डवेयर दैट वी इंस्टॉल, चाहे वो स्पीकर है, चाहे वो माइक्रोफोन है, या आपका अलग से कोई भी डिवाइस हम अटैच करते हैं, डिजिटल कैमरा है, तो वी हैव टू वी गेट अ सीडी along with the device and we use that cd to install the drivers. Nowadays, mostly drivers are pre-installed or automatically installed into the computers. So device driver is one kind of utility. Utility programs are those programs which are helpful for the smooth functioning of a computer. They used to generally assist the computer, like uski housekeeping task, like disk clean करनी है, डिस्क डिफ्रेगमेंटेशन करनी है, फाइल मैनेजमेंट है, फाइल्स को मैनेज करना है डिफरेंट डिवाइसेस में, कॉपी पेस्ट करना है, मूव करना है, या आपके कंप्यूटर को वायरस से प्रोटेक्ट करना है, एंटीवायरस चाहिए, इंक्रिप्शन डिक्रिप्शन चाहिए, या आपके जो डिस्क आपका कंप्रेशन है, जैसे विनजिप है, 7-zip फंक्शन प्रोग्राम्स हम यूज करते हैं. दीज आर द वेरियस प्रोग्राम्स दैट एंश्योर द स्मूथ फंक्शनिंग ऑफ कंप्यूटर. Many kind of utilities are available like file management, antivirus, encryption, decryption, disk cleanup, or device drivers. These are a few examples. You can have more. File management. What do you mean by file management? We use this file management in our mobiles also, and we use this file management in computers also. What do you mean by file management?
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, the software used or the program used to organize files of a computer.
Yes, the software that is used to
Like a
organize
recycle
and
bin.
keep the track of various files and folders in a better manner, that is called file management. आपके mobiles में भी file manager होता है जिसमें आपको list of folders
Ma'am,
and
yes,
list of
folders होते हैं.
internal device, internal storage and SD card की वो पहले list दिखाता है, then you use the internal storage, then there are many folders in which the various types of files are there. WhatsApp files are there in WhatsApp folder, downloaded files are in downloaded folder, documents are stored in documents. So you can create your own folders also to manage the files.
Ma'am,
आप अपनी तरफ से भी न्यू फोल्डर्स बना के उसमें अलग अलग तरह की फाइल्स को मैनेज कर सकते हैं, स्टोर कर सकते हैं. टू कॉपी द फाइल, टू मूव द फाइल, टू एडिट द एग्जिस्टिंग फाइल, ऑल दीज थिंग्स कैन बी डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ फाइल मैनेजर. Various types of file managers are available by default in computers. In our Windows operating system, we have Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is a by default file manager available. In Windows Explorer, we can see the list of all the files available with us. Okay. Then there are other softwares available: Free Commander, Explorer++, Pathfinder, and Directory Opus. Few examples are given in your book. Free Commander, Explorer++, Pathfinder, Directory Opus. These are the various file manager softwares. Next is your antivirus programs. We had already done the chapter of virus and antivirus last year, right? 7th में भी किया था हमने,
Yes,
8th
ma'am.
में भी किया था. तो virus, we know that it is a program that is used to design these which are designed to harm our computer, harm the working of the computer, and antivirus is a program that helps us to detect and remove the virus, which also virus can copy itself, by its own. So it can spread from one computer to another by attaching it to the various files, and antivirus is a program that will help us to clean the computer from virus, that helps us to protect the computer from various types of virus and malware programs. And all of you know very well the various examples of antivirus, like Norton antivirus, McAfee, Quick Heal, or many other are available which you use, right? You can tell me what are the various examples of antivirus? Yes, Aryan?
Ma'am, Avast.
Ma'am, K7.
Avast, K7, yes. Norton मैंने बोल दिया.
And total security.
Yes, total security, 360-degree security भी है शायद एक. ठीक है, many kinds of antivirus programs are available in the market. You can use any one. ठीक है. Next is your encryption decryption software. Encryption means it refers to the conversion of electronic data in another form. Another form that is another form which is not readable to normal user. किसी भी user के लिए वो readable data नहीं होगा जब तक उसको वापस decrypt नहीं किया जाएगा by using a particular key. Encrypted data is usually used to send the data, high profile data or some confidential data to from one computer to another through internet, so that the hackers cannot detect that data. If they detect, if they try to hack the data, they will not be able to read it. Encrypted data, the form which has been converted into unreadable form, that is called ciphertext. Ciphertext is a term used to refer to the altered data so as to make the data unintelligible to unauthorized users. So that data will not be readable to other users. Only the authorized users will have the key to decrypt the data. Decryption means the opposite of encryption, converting the ciphertext to original form by using the correct key. Ciphertext को वापस conversion करना है in the original form so that we can read it. So for that purpose, for that we use a decryption, and for doing the decryption we need a particular key. So for that only the authorized persons will have that particular key to use that. So that is to secure our data when we transfer it from on internet or when we transfer it on networking. Various types of encryption and decryption softwares available: LastPass, BitLocker, VeraCrypt, 7-Zip, Symantec, Endpoint Encryption. Okay. Next is disk cleanup. Disk cleanup we all use. Cleaner हम मोबाइल में use करते हैं to clean the disk, to remove the temporary files, to remove the to clean the cache. जो आपकी temporary memory है जिसमें downloaded files या internet use करते वक्त कुछ चीजें store हो जाती हैं, those can be cleaned. Similarly, in computers we can use the disk cleanup to clean the hard disk, to clean the unnecessary file, to remove the unnecessary files. Device drivers, I already told you various device drivers are available to use the various devices along with the computer. जब हमें computer के साथ अलग अलग devices use करनी है तो we need to install or already use the installed device drivers. Without दो अगर वो device driver कोई corrupt हो गया है या खराब हो गया, you will not be able to use the device. So all these are the various utilities that you can use to make the smooth functioning of your computer. ओके हाँ जी, क्लियर है यहाँ तक सबको? एनी डाउट? हाँ जी, एनी डाउट टिल नाउ? System software, there are three types of system software: operating system, language processors, and utilities. Operating system, various examples are there which are used to operate our computer. Tomorrow we will do the application softwares. Okay. Language processors to translate the language translator to translate the programs into machine language. Three types of language processors: assembler, interpreter, and compiler. Assembler will convert the assembly language programs into machine language. Assembler, was used in the second generation when I okay, Divya, आपने फाइल बनाई है? Just wait. Assembler will convert the assembly language into machine language, and interpreter and compiler will convert the high level language into machine language. There is a difference between interpreter and compiler. Interpreter converts the conversion line by line, and compiler will do the conversion in one go. Utilities are the various softwares that helps us in the smooth functioning of a computer system. They will help us to do the various housekeeping tasks of the computers, like protecting it from the virus, or to clean the hard disk, or many other things. Okay. हाँ जी लक्ष्य, आपने hand raise किया था. Yes Divya, you want to present the screen? Yes Laksh. लक्ष्य आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है बेटा.
Ma'am, keeper text.
Ciphertext is a text which is converted into unreadable form, unintelligible form. Normal text को हमने convert कर दिया है किसी ऐसे form में जो unauthorized users उसको read नहीं कर सकते जब तक उसको normal text में convert नहीं कर पाएंगे. और normal text में conversion तभी होगी जब उसके पास proper key होगी. Yes Divya, you can see the share option now. Yes Kavanur.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
Yes.
मैम मैंने पूछना था मैम, आपने कोई वो दिया था मैम, कोई आपने असाइनमेंट बनाने को दी थी मैम?
प्रैक्टिकली
Open
मैंने
Office.
बोला था राइटर डाउनलोड करके उसमें एक टॉपिक टाइप करके आपने देना था, प्रेजेंट करना था, सो दैट आई कैन सी कि आपने राइटर इंस्टॉल करके उसको यूज करना सीखा है.
मैम मैंने उस
मैम
दिन
कर
क्लास
दूं?
में लगाई थी.
यस बेटा दिव्या आप कर सकते हो. ओके मोस्ट ऑफ यू बेटा वी हैड ऑलरेडी डन द असाइनमेंट 2. मैंने आपको असाइनमेंट 2 बहुत देर की सेंड करी हुई है. अभी तक बहुत सारे बच्चों ने मुझे असाइनमेंट 2 सेंड नहीं करी है. आई गॉट द असाइनमेंट 2 ऑफ ओनली अ फ्यू स्टूडेंट्स. मुझे सिर्फ आपके बहुत कम बच्चों की असाइनमेंट 2 आई है. आई वांट एवरीबॉडी टू सेंड मी द सेकंड असाइनमेंट टुडे.
Excuse me, ma'am.
यस
Can you see it now?
यस बेटा आई एम वाचिंग. मैं देख रही हूँ बच्चा. आपने ये सारा टॉपिक टाइप किया
Yes, ma'am. Type किया.
एंड यू हैड इंसर्टेड द पिक्चर्स आल्सो.
Yes, ma'am. मैंने pictures भी insert की हैं. But मैम वो उससे ओपन ऑफिस में से नहीं की क्योंकि मैम हो नहीं रही थी ओपन ऑफिस.
फिर आपने कहाँ से की है?
नेट में से की है. पहले डाउनलोड करके फिर मतलब पेस्ट की.
कॉपी पेस्ट की है. पहले डाउनलोड किया देन
Yes.
कॉपी पेस्ट किया. बिकॉज जयती वाज सेइंग कि उसकी पिक्चर्स इंसर्ट नहीं हो रही हैं. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम आस्किंग. आपने पिक्चर्स को डाउनलोड करके ओपन करके कॉपी पेस्ट किया है. ओके
Yes.
ओके जयती यू
Yes.
कैन ऑल्सो ट्राई दिस. अगर नहीं होगा तो इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास व्हेन वी डू द प्रैक्टिकल ऑफ राइटर वी विल डू दिस. ओके ओके दिव्या वेरी गुड. वी कैन स्टॉप द शेयर बेटा. इट वाज गुड. नितांश आपका डाउनलोड क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? क्या एरर आ रही है? अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. यस
मैं पहले जब डाउनलोड पे के बटन पे क्लिक करता हूँ तो डाउनलोड भी हो जाता है, फिर आता है थैंक्स फॉर डाउनलोडिंग, फिर बाद में दोबारा ऑप्शन आ जाती है डाउनलोड की. हो नहीं रहा मैम,
डाउनलोड फोल्डर में चेक करो. फाइल ऑलरेडी डाउनलोडेड होगी, उसको डबल क्लिक करके इंस्टॉल करके देखो. डाउनलोड फोल्डर चेक करो कि वहां पे फाइल डाउनलोड होके आई है या नहीं. अगर तो आ गई है तो देन यू कैन डबल क्लिक ऑन इट टू इंस्टॉल इट.
बोलेगा बोल मेरे पागल है इसने कैसे मारा बोले.
यस मितांश. ओके okay good. One page is there Pranay?
Yes.
ओके इट इज ओके गुड है. आपने पीछे पिक्चर इंसर्ट करी है बैकग्राउंड में. You had inserted a picture in the background of the page ना, in the fill color में आपने picture insert करी है. पेज फॉर्मेट पेज, ओके आपने पेज को कलर दिया है, पेज में पिक्चर लाई है, ओके ठीक है बेटा, ओके गुड. All of you can try the various options of the writer. We will do the writer step by step. जब हमारा चैप्टर शुरू करेंगे then we will do the writer again. हम उसके steps या उसकी commands भी learn करेंगे and various features भी सीखेंगे. Till then you can do it practically yourself. ठीक है? Practically portion is this in this term. Practically we are having 3 chapters only, chapter 1, 2 and 3. Okay? Today we have done the system software. Tomorrow we will do the application softwares. Okay.